Get set for a wheel makeover. So your chrome is losing its luster? No worries. With Blackmagic Chrome Wheel Cleaner, we got the trick to get that shine back in no time. Now the fun part. Grab the bottle and spray it generously onto your wheels. First, make sure they cool and dry. Now let the cleaner sit and work its magic for about 1 to 2 minutes. If your wheels are looking really dirty, don't hesitate to give them a good scrub with soft brush or sponge. Next up, rinse off the wheels with a strong stream of water. You want to make sure you get all the cleaner and dirt off. Grab a clean microfiber towel and wipe away any remaining brake dust and residue. This is the key to getting that perfect showroom finish.
No one outshines Blackmagic. Thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Blackmagic Shine and share your own tips and tricks in the comments.